Hey guys, in today's video we're talking about iOS 12.1 Beta 1. Apple has released the software a few days ago, and I wanted to give you guys my quick follow-up experience with the software in regards to battery performance, any new features, any bugs, anything that I've come across since its official launch to developers. So let's get right to it. First up, I want to talk about battery. Battery has been pretty much identical to iOS 12 official launch on 12.1 Beta 1, which is a good thing. I've been getting approximately 7 to 7.5 of hours of on-screen time with iOS 12.1, which is phenomenal. Another feature that was removed from the official launch of iOS 12 was the group FaceTime, and I've been having a few issues with group FaceTime on Beta 1 for iOS 12.1 as well. Now, the issue is within the software, in my opinion, is that these tiles are meant to take the forefront when one person's speaking. Now, if multiple people start talking loud at the same time while you're group FaceTime, the software doesn't know how to identify in which tile to move to the front. It's kind of clunky. I think the software UI is clunky, and I don't think it was the proper approach. Maybe Apple will end up redesigning the feature for the group FaceTime here that you see here with these tiles, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm kind of happy that Apple did not release this feature with iOS 12 because, like I mentioned, it is buggy and clunky at the moment, so it is still clunky and buggy in 12.1 Beta 1 as well. Now, you may remember a video I posted last week where you click a link and it would crash your iOS device. It's Safari DOS. This is still present in the latest beta for iOS 12.1. So if we go to the GitHub page and we click on the link using Safari, the second link here, you see that this device will crash momentarily just like that. So the bug is still present. For those of you who watched the video where I showed you how to avoid it, if you haven't, links will be in the description. This bug will not harm your device, but it will freeze and respring or reboot your device if you were to receive this message. So just keep an eye out. It's still present here on 12.1. Maybe Apple will release iOS 12.0.1, just a minor bug fix just to fix this before iOS 12.1 is officially released to the public, because we won't be seeing iOS 12.1 officially being released to the general public maybe till late October, beginning of November, somewhere around that. So Apple may release a minor software update just to fix that issue. But overall, the software is running smooth. Everything as expected. Battery is good. Performance is good. Just those bugs, those features that are still incomplete, and things that Apple just needs to come together and just polish these little minor things within the software. Overall, we can expect the next beta. It appears that Apple is going to be releasing betas for iOS 12.1 on a 2 weeks release cycle. We'll have to wait and see. If we don't see a beta this week, then we're definitely going to be on a 2-week release cycle. So expect a 12.1 beta 2 most likely on October the 1st or the 2nd if Apple doesn't release by tomorrow. So there you guys have it, just a quick follow-up on iOS 12.1. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.